Addy's World. This is our first video. I will welcome you to come with me. Hello everyone, I'm going for shopping. Come with me. I am Adiba and this is my baby brother Arham. Now I'm going to show you what I have bought from shopping. We brought the glitter glue pens, the 10 pack, 6 flip-flop keychains, paper clips, hole punch and stapler, craft stickers, 2 wavy scissors, colorful paper, and A4 blank paper. In our every video, I will make something for you. It's gonna be fun, so don't miss it.